It takes uncompromising strength to withstand the forces of nature. It takes Presto's multi-component GeoWeb cellular confinement system. The GeoWeb system is a high-strength polyethylene cellular structure of different depths and cell sizes that works with nature to prevent the movement of soil in all cellular confinement applications. The system confines infill horizontally to nearly vertical, from static, dynamic, hydrodynamic, and gravitational forces. Presto's advanced system features include perforated cells, tendons, and atraclips. The perforated GeoWeb system contains holes specific in size, quantity, and spacing for improved lateral drainage, greater cell infill lockup of aggregate and concrete, increased root lockup in a vegetated system, creating a stable mass, a healthy soil environment that allows passage of nutrients and insects from cell to cell, reduced installation and maintenance costs. And because it's 16% lighter, it's easier to handle while still maintaining joint strength. Polymeric tendons facilitate in anchoring sections to embankments and slopes and provide stability against gravitational and hydrodynamic forces. They're also useful when a geomembrane underlayer or hard soil or rock prevents anchoring with stakes. The atraclip is used as an end cap to a straight rebar stake. The atraclip stake holds the GeoWeb system down to resist sliding and uplift forces. It eliminates the task and cost of forming J-pins and provides an inline, easier-to-drive anchor pin. As a restraint pin, the atraclip transfers load forces from the cell wall to the tendon. The GeoWeb system provides superior results for all soil stabilization applications. No matter what the problem, Presto has the solution. In load support applications, the GeoWeb system distributes loads laterally, reducing pressure and minimizing deformation and settlement. Perforations increase the friction angle between aggregate infill and the cell wall for greater system stability. Confinement of infill improves load distribution on paved and unpaved yards and over soft subgrades. Because pressure is distributed throughout, deflection and rutting are greatly reduced. The perforated system allows lateral cell-to-cell drainage beneath the traffic surface, reducing the negative effects of cell ponding. For applications with fine-grain infill, the textured GeoWeb system improves performance by increasing friction between the cell wall and infill. The stable GeoWeb system resists long-term deformation. In fact, base materials may withstand 10 times the number of recurring loads before accumulating harmful deflections. As load support problems are solved, construction activities often create steep or unstable slopes. In slope protection applications, infill is confined to resist rainwater runoff forces, erosion, and sliding of embankment materials. Perforations aid in drainage, and in saturated conditions, an overall weight reduction of the infill reduces downslope sliding. Tendons with the atraclip stake provide additional stability, especially on steeper slopes. When anchoring with stakes isn't possible, tendons with the atraclip restraint pin and deadman anchors provide the required stability. Vegetation is an attractive form of protection for slopes exposed to erosion. The perforated GeoWeb system reinforces the vegetation and allows root growth from cell to cell, resulting in a stable, environmentally healthy system. For slopes exposed to severe hydraulic or mechanical stresses, concrete provides durable protection. Perforations allow cross-cell flow of concrete, and due to the defined GeoWeb cell depth, concrete quantities and costs can be controlled. The GeoWeb system helps resist erosion of granular materials and permits their use on steeper slopes. The system also eliminates the need for complicated, expensive construction techniques. Many times, when slopes become very steep or almost vertical, the GeoWeb system can be stacked to form an earth retention system, ideal for tight space constraints. Horizontal terraces are formed where vegetation can flourish, and colored face panels blend well with the environment. The perforated GeoWeb system enhances performance by facilitating drainage of retained soils, resulting in a lower wall mass and a more economical wall structure. The GeoWeb material is durable, meeting all engineering requirements. And because native infill may be acceptable, GeoWeb systems are very cost-effective. Runoff from load support areas, slopes, and walls may require channel protection. The perforated GeoWeb system confines and reinforces the infill, creating a flexible liner in channel protection applications. A vegetated system is ideal in areas of low to moderate short-duration flows and when aesthetics are important. Roots penetrate into the subsoil, anchoring the system. Aggregate may be used in channels where flow velocities and durations are low to moderate. Concrete protects channels exposed to severe hydraulic or mechanical stresses. Tendons and attraclips provide additional stability against hydrodynamic forces. Stacked vegetated sections are used for steeper embankments and offer a natural appearance with the ability to withstand higher flows for short durations. The GeoWeb system is simple to install and powerful once it has been embraced by nature. Construction is easy in all applications, and Presto provides support during installation. The GeoWeb system is backed by years of research and testing with in-ground experience since the early 1980s. And you get more than a product. You get a solution, a complete engineered solution. You can have confidence in the Presto team. You get support from design through installation. And Presto supplies specifications, drawings, and other design tools. Discover how Presto solves problems with its unique product advancements, the perforated system, tendons, and attraclips, and how the GeoWeb system allows you to work with the forces of nature. For load support, earth retention, slope protection, and channel protection. From concept through construction, Presto has the right solution. Presto is the right solution.